Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with a Dorsanee Hair. It's my first time trying out a wig from this company. I'm so excited. So the first thing for the goodies, I got some lashes, a headband branded with Dorsanee, some wig caps, and then finally I got the wig. That's what came in the drawstring bag. And I got this gorgeous streaked wig. It's like streaked with 613 and then like 1B. And I was showing you the cap construction here. It has adjustable bands, and it also has some combs on the inside. It's a regular medium cap. The hair is super silky straight out of the box and very full, so I really love that. And by the way, this is 22 inches long and it's a 13 by 4 lace front. Okay, I'm gonna be sure to list all the specifications in my description box. So right off the bat, you guys can see where I wasted no time. I proceeded to going ahead and applying this wig, and I had to cut off from the sides because obviously it was too long for my ear portion. And then I'm just cleansing away where I'm gonna apply my glue. Today I didn't do the ball cap method just because I was being lazy, to be very honest. We're just gonna be very honest. I just did one layer though because I was just gonna wear this for a short period of time, but oh my gosh, I love it so much. Like the quality of this wig, top tier. I tell you, barely any shedding. It's extremely, when I say extremely silky, like I mean that. It's not just like regular silky, it's like extremely silky. It's like butter. Okay, so once I did that one layer of glue, I applied a little bit of spray adhesive on top of that to just allow that area to really stick immediately. Once it's nice and dry and sticking how it should, I go ahead and I start cutting away the excess lace from the area. And listen, one layer was perfect. I used my Erica J Hold Me Down lace glue for today's application along with my Ebin spray. So I did light swoops and you'll see me doing that here. So initially in this moment when I was, finessing my edges or whatever, I didn't even know how I was going to style the wig. I really didn't know. I was just kind of like, at first I thought I was going to do like a regular bust down, middle part, and just kind of like layered vibes. But eventually cause yeah, this is where you actually see me where I thought I was going to do it. And I was like, you know what? I want to actually explore that hairstyle again where I did a little bang in the front and the side part. It was trending recently and I really liked it. I did try it on a different wig some time ago. So I said, okay, let me do that again. So I just took my time and started to kind of make sure that the roots of the hair was laying because this wig is nicely densed. So you want to ensure that you have a hot comb. I feel like the key to not making your wig look too wiggy is having a hot comb, because if your roots is like very bulky, it will definitely be the number one hint that okay, she's wearing a wig. But the flatter your wig is laying, I mean, the more undetectable, the more realistic. And so I feel like having a hot comb can really help, because let me tell you, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this wig it's a lot of hair. So I'm so happy that I have a good hot comb to really help with, flawless installations and stuff. So this is where I start to part out the bang area. And of course, this style here is not a bang that you do very thick. It's like one of the more sparse fringed like bang vibe. And I absolutely loved it. It was not hard to like style at all. The hair was very silky, as I said before, and very manageable, very easy to work with. So I kind of just took my time and just, finessed it in the way that I wanted to. And after I cut the bang hair in the front, as you see me doing, I kind of just, kind of eyeball everything, see if it was laying how I wanted it to lay. And if something didn't look right, I'd go back in. And then basically after this step, I pretty much just proceeded to straightening the entire wig with my flat iron. Now, straight out of the packaging, the hair isn't really nice. So if you want to be lazy, you can and not straighten it right away. And I also did redefine the part here because I wanted it to be more precise as well. But yeah, straight out of the packaging, the hair is nice and straight. But we want the install to look very fresh and, precise and super bone straight. So that's the reason why I went back in with my flat iron to just give it that nice sleek vibe. And it was definitely what I wanted. It definitely came out how I wanted it to.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
Alright guys, so that's the finished look with this wig. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. The quality of this hair feels so silky. I must tell you, it's the first one like this skunk vibe that I've received, like this, with this color job that is not like coarse. It's so silky. I love it. It's really and truly very silky. I can tell that it's gonna stay bone straight and really nice. Like, look at that. It is perfection. And you know, I never plan on doing this hairstyle again, but something about the streaks that just really made me want to explore this hairstyle again, because the first time I did this look was with a burgundy straight wig, and I'm doing it again and I absolutely love it. I might even love it a little bit more with this color job. I don't know. But shout out to Dorsanee Hair. As I said, my first time working with them, and I absolutely love the quality. It's giving. Alright, it really is giving. I'm happy I went ahead with this look, man, because I was just gonna do a nice layered center part bust down vibe, but I'm so happy I did this look. Let me know what you guys think about today's wig look. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig as well as the specifications if you're interested. That will be listed. So yeah, go ahead, check that out. Okay, check it out. Yeah, love this. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
All I made yours, didn't know my